is Tina with You Made That, and I am with Glenna of Crafts by Glenna.
Hi.
We are at like the busiest Target ever, and we are gonna see, here's a speed bump, what they've got. So we're gonna take you shopping with us. What'd you find?
Okay, so I've been looking at these storage boxes. I think they're so cute because you could chalk something on the front of them.
Oh yeah!
So we have transfers for your craft supplies. We have them for kitchen items, or you could use the alphabet transfers and you can make it say anything you want. So it says storage box with mirror, so it's got a little mirror on the lids.
It's only $3.
Yes.
Well, that's a no-brainer.
Okay, so if you are watching and you know what these are for, please tell us because we have no clue. I've looked at them so many times. They are $5 and it says food safe. So I don't know.
We don't
what
know.
would you use these for? I have no clue. Snacks maybe? It'd be a really small snack. I don't know.
Yes, please tell us.
Yes. So these are reusable cup sets. They have these white ones that have silver polka dots. Those are super cute. Then they have these gold ones. So we have wedding transfers. You could chalk on the sides and put, I don't remember what is on the transfer. We'll have to go back and look and add the transfer in the video. But this would be so cute to put bride and groom or things like that on there.
Oh yeah.
Super cute. Be cute for a birthday party.
$5.
Little at a place setting for a birthday party. Wouldn't that be cute? Or a baby shower even.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so if you want to do beach themed decor, this is so cute. It's $5. So what I would do with it is I would take our rectangular simple shape and I would paint it a blue color. You can use our chalk paste and water it down and paint it. And then you could put welcome on it, or you could put any kind of, we're coming out with a lot of summer themed transfers. You could put on there. And then they have these adorable oars that are so cute to go with it. But this one is my favorite. A boat tier tray. It's so cute. I just love it. It would just be so cute. To put all these together would be adorable.
Yeah, and for $15 total or something?
Yeah,
Or-
let's see. These are $5. And this is $5. So yes, $15 you would have an adorable little beach themed decor setup. So
Nice.
super cute.
That's super cute.
It's cute.
For like succulents, and then what do we have for transfer that could go there?
So there's a retired Club Couture that said keep growing, keep growing. But we also have lots of new ones coming out with flowers that you could paint this white and then you could chalk the flowers in different colors. That would be really cute.
That would be cute. Okay, so what do you do with this?
Okay, I actually bought one of these the other day. They are $5. And what I want to do is we have some large transfers that are background surfaces. So like there's a striped one or a gingham check. There's what is the tile one called? There's one that's like a beautiful tile. And so you can just press it down in here and only transfer on the back.
Oh.
And then you can put some flowers down here in the front.
Oh.
And you can hang it.
Oh, cute.
The other thing you could do is you could put it in a coffee bar. So you could put your, okay, so let me grab those jars because I have these cute jars. They are glass and they would fit in there as well.
Cute.
So you could chalk on those. You could put Keurig cups and sugar or whatever you want in there. So that would be super cute also.
That's cute. Glenna and I didn't shoot an outro to our video, so I thought I would show you what I got. I got 2 of those storage boxes with the mirror on top, and I got this table for $5. So I will probably be chalking something on the storage box and watch for a future video on that. Thanks again for watching.